In this video I'm going to show you how to start using some of the functions in Powerview. So as in the previous videos, the Powerview first screen will show you sort of the same view as you would have seen from your data. So how do we edit this stuff? So you can literally just click on one of them and start changing. So let's say I only want to see this via my region. So I'm just going to click off all the different ones I don't want to see. I want to see category, product, or salesperson. And I want to actually just drag my region there before the sales. So there's my different regions. The format doesn't look that well, so we can click on it. We can go to design and we can quickly change the format, and it will change all of them very quickly. So that's for setting up that one. If you want to click a new one, you click out of this first one, you go to your table again, let's say region and sales. But now once we've selected that one, we can start saying, let's say I want to put a bar chart, for example, and it will then change this one to a bar chart. So there's a bar chart for this specific one, and you can make it look any way you want. So that's a bar chart. You can add another one. Let's say I also want to add, let's say, another region, another sales one, and for this one I want to set up a scatter chart. So there's a scatter chart. Scatter chart is a bit more tricky to do. So let's just add the scatter chart there. So scatter charts, there's quite a few options. You need to say what's your X and Y channels. So I'm going to add my region into my Y channel, and then it will start making a bit more sense. So the next thing is, how do we add slices? We can add a slicer. Let's say I want to add one on, so let's just click out of that one. So we add a slicer on quarter, for example, and there's a slicer already. We can say that should be a slicer, so we just click on slicer on top there. So now that's a slicer. If I click quarter one, everything changes to quarter one, quarter two, or on top there to all. So that is effectively how easy it is to set up stuff in Powerview. We can add a heading there. Let's say this is our region report. So that is how it is to add that. Now in this report I've got some regions as well. So let's add again region and sales price. I'm going to move this one to the bottom, if I can just get it to move. And then I'm going to click on map. This will then automatically change this to a map. What's important is, once you've done it the first time, it doesn't pick up this map the first time. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to actually create maps here so that it can pick up these ones automatically. It picks up most regions and most towns anywhere in the world, so it can generate a map that looks very professional. But this one shows you all the different views, all the different graphs. We're going to show you how to animate your scatter graphs and how to add maps and actually get this information in automatically.